I'm going to do this page last since it requires liquids, but let's get started on wrecking some other stuff. This one did irk me just a little bit. In case you didn't know, this is a Wreck This Journal journal. I'm doing this to have some fun. I'm doing it to do something a little bit different. I was inspired by Soleil of Soleil & Craft and also Possum Patty. And I saw them both doing a Wreck This journal, and I felt like this was something that I needed to have in my creative life. If you would like to wreck along with me, I will have these listed in my description box. I purchased them on Amazon, and I will put the link there for you. Once I have finished coloring this page, I'm going to go back to that page that we saw in the very beginning of the video because it requires some liquids. It says to spill, spray, sprinkle, drip, whatever, different liquids onto the page. So I'm going to go ahead and get this done first, and then we'll go back to that. You can see that I did put a plastic trash bag down over my desk just to protect all the things that I'm actually working on in other areas of my artistic life. Obviously, I did not color the whole thing on camera, but I wanted to share the finished product with you. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's so bright and so colorful. So I had a lot of fun with that. Now it's time to go find that other page. All right, let's get ready to wreck this page with some liquids. I have some Bolt House Farms Berry Smoothie. I'm going to pour some of that on there first. There's some leftover coffee from this morning, so I'm going to pour what little bit that I can get out of the coffee maker on there. And then I'm going to follow that up with some acai. Believe it or not, this really did not bother me. Let me know if it bothered you. Did it make you cringe? Did you just want to grab a towel right away and just put it on my journal? Let me know your thoughts. I would be very interested to know. Well, thanks for watching. See you soon.